Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your history on TeraBox. It's a very quick and simple process, so let's get right into it. First, open the TeraBox app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, locate the menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner of your screen. A menu will expand. Scroll down through the options and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Security Center. Next, look for the option labeled Clear Data and tap on it. You will be taken to a page that manages your account data. Look for the section titled Operation Records. This is where your recent viewing history and sharing records are stored. Tap the Delete button right next to it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, warning you that this operation will permanently delete the data. Tap Delete one more time to confirm the action. You will see a quick deleted successfully notification, and that's it. Your TeraBox history is now completely cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more professional, straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.